You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. I've learned that people will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. People often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. The only person you are destined to become is the person you decide to be. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. We can easily forgive a child who is afraid of the dark. The real tragedy of life is when men are afraid of the light. Teach thy tongue to say, I do not know, and thou shalt progress. When I was 5 years old, my mother always told me that happiness was the key to life. When I went to school, they asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up. I wrote down happy. They told me I didn't understand the assignment, and I told them they didn't understand life. Fall 7 times and stand up 8. When one door of happiness closes, another opens, but often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one that has been opened for us. Everything has beauty, but not everyone can see. How wonderful it is that nobody need wait a single moment before starting to improve the world. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. If you're offered a seat on a rocket ship, don't ask what seat, just get on. First, have a definite, clear, practical ideal, a goal, an objective. Second, have the necessary means to achieve your ends, wisdom, money, materials, and methods. Third, adjust all your means to that end. If the wind will not serve, take to the oars. You can't use up creativity. The more you use, the more you have. Dream big and dare to fail. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. If you want to lift yourself up, lift up someone else. It's your place in the world. It's your life. Go on and do all you can with it, and make it the life you want to live. Life is what we make it. Always has been, always will be.